Hello everyone, today I want to show you our main release. The main dice is the 2-usage typewriter dice. This set die could make a typewriter album. It could also make a memory desk holder. Now it is the large size. We also made two kinds of inner page to fit it. One is like this film, one is basic. And this one is a very cute small size. This could also make a typewriter or a memory desk holder. These two sides, you could use them alone or match with our matchbox dice. Large one fits two matchbox, small one fits one. These cutting dies are all on sale now. Pick them on our AliExpress store. The link is on the description. Waiting for you!